Marc, welcome.
Thank you, Dave.
How are you?
I'm great.
I mean, look at this.
Yeah, what is this place?
Well, I wanted to bring you to a place where sustainability is embodied for me. You have perfect water and air quality that affects us each and every day.
Look, we often talk about, New York area, Los Angeles having bad air quality.
Like we saw with the Canadian wildfires, a single spark can lead to massive destruction. And the smoke the fires create can spread through the air thousands of miles.
The butterfly effect, right? Small actions in one place can have big impacts in many other places.
So true. Like you put something in the river here, you don't know the effect that it could have downstream.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, speaking of the river, have you ever been fly fishing?
I have not.
Okay. You are going to love it.
Okay.
It's incredible. Let's get some gear on and then we'll just go to the river and I'll show you what we're gonna do. So what I love about fly fishing, it's all about ethics and conservation and being back in nature. It's catching that beautiful trout and then releasing it back into the water for the next fisherman, for the next generation. It's just beautiful in every way. Okay, so I've been meaning to ask you, perfecting the air we share. Tell me more about that.
Right, that's our mission, to clean the air inside the home, right, with technology that can remove contaminants from the house.
Isn't it nice out there?
Yeah, what a day.
Crisp, clean air.
Yeah.
I mean, how do we get that air everywhere?
By using technology, we can consistently improve the air so it's always comfortable. That means using ventilation, filtration, and inverter heat pump. Inverter heat pump consistently run the air through the house, preventing it from becoming stale.
To clean air.
To clean air.
To see and learn more, visit sustainabilityseries.com.